Do you like to track the moving averages? The 5-day, the 10, the 20, the 50, the 200? But do you find it rather monotonous going from chart to chart to chart? Maybe you're getting a case of vertigo, difficult to tell up from down, down from up. This is the SMC Retail Trader Radar from Stock Market Caddy. It is our proprietary decision-making software operating on TradeStation's proprietary trading tool called Radar Screen. They are the only company that offers this. And let me show you what it's doing and how you might use it. We have loaded in with the push of one button the S&P 500, all the stocks. This company here, CEG, is 6.19% over its 5-day EMA, 7.75% over its 10, 7.39% over its 20, 6.17% over its 50, 18.78% over its 200. I don't need to look at a chart to know that this stock is headed up and has been headed up. Many brokers and brokers won't even suggest a stock unless it's over its 5-day. Now sometimes if they get too high over the short-term moving average, they might be ready for a pullback. That could afford the active trader an opportunity to do what? To fade. Maybe you want to sort with the click of a button and find out those stocks that are most under their 5-day EMA. Maybe you want to counter trade that and expect and play for the bounce and buy that stock as a possibility. You see, we can sort the 5-day, the 10, the 20, the 50, or even the 200. Maybe you only want to buy stocks that are over their 50-day. Maybe you want to have a list of stocks that are under their 50-day so that when they begin to move up, you can take advantage of that move. And certainly the 200-day, or what we call the Warren Buffett signal, for the long term. Now we can statically sort each column, as you've seen. Click on that one. Or we can use the TradeStation tool by coming to Settings, come to Page, and we could sort automatically the 5-day, the 10-day, the 20, and the 50. We don't have a fifth sort, but TradeStation could be sorting all of these automatically for you every 20 seconds or every 60 seconds. This portion of our retail trader helps us understand the overall breadth of the market. 55% of all the S&P 500 stocks are over their 5-day. Interesting to know. The 10-day, only 40%. The 20-day, only 25%. The 50-day, 27%. Only 27% of stocks are over their 50-day. That could be very important to know, especially if the overall market is scraping at its highs. We'll begin to know that the breadth of the market is doing what? Deteriorating. The 200-day, only 52% of the S&P 500 are over their 200-day. This tool does an automatic calculation of all of the averages. Only 40% of all the stocks are over all of their averages. So the market is more or less in the middle, and you can see it's kind of a dark green. We'll be buying it, but with some trepidation, and we'll be using some options. When the market gets overdone, when this is below 20%, 15, maybe even 10%, and there have been instances, the background on this tool, everyone will be bearish when less than 20% of the market is over their averages, but the background on this tool will be a bright green. Because you see, folks, we make some of our biggest trades and much of our money counter trading. When everyone is selling, we might want to be buying. You might want to be buying. When all of the stocks are over all of their averages and we're up over 80, 85, 90, 95, everyone will be bullish. And the background on this tool will be what color? A bright, bright red. Why? We will be fading. I am Bagged On. This is StockMarketCaddy.com. If you want to see this tool on a nightly basis, be sure to visit our website and join as a monthly member. If you want this tool, as well as 65 other proprietary tools on your desktop, you can do so by becoming an annual member. I am Bagged On at Stock Market Caddy. Today is January 5th at 1 p.m. I want to say thank you for your attention and let us know if we can help you minimize the emotions of fear and greed while maximizing your time, your capital, and your outcome, trading outcome. Thanks.